must be wondering who really buys a moped. But you'll be really surprised to know that in 2019, 2020, more than 6 lakh units of mopeds were sold in the country. And a year prior to that, more than 8 lakh units were sold. Sales are down definitely, but so are the sales of all vehicles, whether they are cars or bikes or any other vehicle. But the most interesting part is there is only one manufacturer of mopeds in India, and that is TVS Motor Company. We all know about TVS Motor Company. This is the company which makes motorcycles and scooters of high repute. And of course, everybody knows the Apache series, which has won several accolades. TVS makes its two-wheelers at its Hosur plant in South India. And guess what? Even BMW makes its under 500cc motorcycles at the same Hosur plant. This is a kind of a collaboration between BMW India and TVS Motor India. Now, coming back to who really rides this moped, well, a lot of traders do that, a lot of farmers do that, and in the entire urban and semi-urban cities and towns of India, a lot of people ride this. Even college-going boys and girls ride them. Elderly people ride it, young people ride it, and it's quite a popular two-wheeler. And I must confess that I've never ridden a moped in my life. Now I have the XL100 and I'm going to ride it. This is the Motown India show and my name is Roy P. Tharian. Stay tuned. The TVS moped has a great legacy. This two-wheeler moped was born in 1979. The TVS XL, in fact, is the reason why TVS Racing, India's first factory racing team, came into existence. This moped which you are seeing has evolved over a period since 1987. The year 2020 saw the launch of TVS XL100 BS-6 with EcoThrust fuel injection technology. The TVS XL100 today comes in 3 BS-6 variants: TVS XL100 Heavy Duty iTouch Start, TVS XL100 Heavy Duty iTouch Start Special Edition, and TVS XL100 Comfort iTouch Start. We got a chance to ride the Comfort variant. The XL100 Comfort iTouch Start comes at an ex-showroom Delhi price of Rs 47,864. The TVS XL100 has a very lightweight design and is very compact and precise. It has a durable all-metal body. It has a very comfortable handlebar, a stylish headlamp fairing and LED DRLs. Beige colored panels give it an appealing look. Then you have decent amounts of chrome embellishments like the silencer guard, chrome finish handle on the seat, handlebar, etc. The seats are cushioned and they are broad and long too. The backrest is also cushioned. The instrument cluster is minimalist with a speedometer cum odometer and indications for the lights. The fuel reserve light is also part of the cluster. Just below you get a mobile charger and you can plug it in while you are riding. Your mobile can also be placed in a bag and hung on the hook in front. On the right you have the on-off combo switch, while the left has the switches for the indicators, the headlight and the horn. Very basic and very practical is how I see it. The fuel tank holds around 4 liters of petrol, including 1.3 liters for reserve. Enough to spin you around the city, as the fuel average you get from this moped is around 66 kilometers per liter. It's the space on the floor level which is quite abundant. That means you can keep a lot of things on it. The reason why the flatboard is so broad and long is because the engine and other critical parts are literally at the bottom. This also ensures that the XL100 has a very low center of gravity, making it very safe on the roads. It has a center stand which is very easy to engage. A side stand too comes handy on this moped. The moped is available in cool mint blue, which is this, and then you have luster gold. Now coming to technical specs and performance, this moped is powered by a 99.7cc petrol engine with auto gear. The iTouch Start ensures that you have a silent start. This feature is a first in India among two-wheelers. As for the brakes, it has sync braking technology. It has a low turning radius. Then there is a rollover sensor for safety, wherein the engine shuts off on a 15-degree fall. It has large 16 inches spoked wheels. The TVS XL100 BS-6 comes equipped with EcoThrust fuel injection, ETFI technology, which boasts of a 15% more mileage. Then it has improved power and pickup, better starting ability, better refinement with smooth and consistent engine idling, and also a jerk-free ride, among others. It has low maintenance because of timely service owing to onboard diagnostics. It has an external dry pump and the rider needs only to maintain minimum 500 ml of fuel. Now, riding this bike is fun, it is easy to ride, and it is best at around 50 kilometers per hour. But the moment you try to rev it and pretend you are seated on a race machine, the engine can be heard working hard and it struggles to reach levels of 70 kilometers per hour. The suspension is rather good, cushioning you from any big jerks. The drum brakes have enough bite for this two-wheeler. It's obvious that this machine is not about speed and daredevilry. Rather, it is for those who want to take life easy. It's like a workhorse which does its job without any fuss. It can take on the rough roads with as much ease as it does on smooth roads. This makes it the ideal transporter for so many people, especially the small traders, farmers, and the elderly. It's got the right combination of balance, power, and grace of being a utility vehicle and a commuter. That does not mean the young cannot ride it. It is ideal for a stress-free ride. That also did not mean we did not have fun with it. We invited Delhi-based motorcycle stunt rider Bunty Godara to try his hand at it. There is magic when he's astride his TVS Apache RTR 160 motorcycle, which he has modified heavily for his stunt shows. Each of the stunts has a different name. They go much beyond the ordinary wheelies and stoppies. He has also been a friend of Motown India, and when we asked him to ride the humble TVS XL100 moped, he made no fuss. He did not smirk or feel the least offended that we had asked him to ride the XL100. He readily agreed, displaying his refreshing character of humility. I hope you've liked this video from Motown India, and more importantly, I hope your respect for this XL100 has really gone up. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the show, and if you've liked this video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up, and most important, if you have not subscribed to the Motown India channel, do so now. Till the next time, whenever you're riding on the roads, wear your helmet.